mar jatend piny State House Nairobi. Kama jatend piny bago romo gi sirikal kata Gor Mahia FC joloch tuke adhula lig maduong' pachoka season ma okalo ne Gor Mahia biro sungo ne jatend piny okombe margi mar 22 e tuke adhula lig maduong' pachoka. Winjane kaka weche dhi gisani.
I request that the rest of us on the podium can take our seats as we now receive Team Kogalo. His Excellency will receive them as we have some music playing. And today what we have here is the SportPesa League winners. And that is Honorable Karauri, the SportPesa sponsors, followed by all the players. Gor Mahia Football Club, popularly known as Kogalo.
Mano Gor Mahia sirikal ka gidonjo e State House kendo rwak gi jatend piny William Ruto Kogalo noloyo kombe